Journal entries in the books of drawee. Drawee means what? N-O-Z. Just assume that Ramesh has taken some goods from Poonam. How much Ramesh has to pay to Poonam? Supposed to pay, but paid only 8,250 called as discount. Bank discount to bills receivable. Poonam went to where? Bank. Hello everyone, I am your Adarsh sir, lecturer in Vidhyaashram PU College, the Temple of Excellence. Now, so we are in the 11th session of your topic called Bills of Exchange. We learned all small concepts, and today we are doing 12 marks problem. Now, for 12 marks problem, normally you will get journal entries in the books of seller, in the books of buyer, and in the books of NOC. Who is the NOC? The third person. The seller, instead of himself, he transferred the bill to one more person. That person we call it as NOC. This transaction we call it as endorsement. I'll explain you one by one while preparing journal entries. Now, so this will be your question. Read it carefully. Now, on March 15th, 2017. On March 15, 2017, Ramesh sold goods for rupees 8,000. Now, to Deepak on credit. So, 8,000 worth goods, it is sold on credit basis. If it is bills of exchange means, remember, always it is on credit basis. Now, Deepak accepted a bill of exchange drawn upon him by Ramesh. Now, how many persons are there? First person is Ramesh and second person is called Deepak. In this, second person is called Deepak. Who is Ramesh here? Ramesh is the seller. Who is the Deepak? Deepak is buyer. Always remember, first person always seller and second person is a buyer. There is no rule that always first person is a seller. Generally, in every question, always the question starts with seller. Now, Ramesh is the seller and Deepak is the buyer. Now, accepted a bill of exchange drawn upon by him, Ramesh. Payable after 3 months. So, how many months they have given time? 3 months time. Now, on April 15th, March 15th and April, after 1 month, Ramesh endorsed the bill in favor of his creditor, Poonam. Now, so it is a transaction between Ramesh and Deepak. In this problem, Ramesh is the seller and Deepak is the buyer. So what is the agreement actual happened? If it is March 15th, April, May, June 15th plus 3 days. June 18th will be the due date. So whatever amount he agreed, he will pay after 3 months and 3 days. But he is in the emergency of money. What he will do? He will look for one more person. He will transfer bill to one more person. That person is called as in favor of creditor Poonam. So third person is Poonam. So he is the first person, he is the second person, and Poonam is the third person. Listen it carefully. Now, in full settlement of her debt of rupees 8,250. Simple. I'll give you an example. You will understand. Now, first thing, there is a transaction between Ramesh and Deepak. What is the value? The value is 8,000. They sold goods and Deepak has to pay 8,000. Clear? Yes. Now, again, the old transaction before this, maybe some 2 or 3 months back, Ramesh has taken some goods from Poonam. Just assume that Ramesh has taken some goods from Poonam. How much Ramesh has to pay to Poonam? Yes, he has to pay 8,250. They have mentioned, see, 8,250. Clear? So just assume that I am Ramesh. In this, I am Ramesh. You are Deepak. You are a customer, Deepak. I am the seller, Ramesh. Now, between us, what transaction happened? Between us, the transaction happened is very simple. So, I have sold goods to you. You have to pay me 8,000. Clear? Yes, up to this you understood. Now, after 3 months, if I come to you, you pay me 8,000. Clear? Yes. So for that, what document you have given? You have given bills of exchange signed copy. Whenever I show after 3 months this document, I can collect 8,000 from you. Any doubt up to this? Hope there is no doubt. Now, I cannot wait up to 3 months. And the one more person I purchased from this fellow 3 months back, I have to pay him 8,250. I don't have cash now. Again, I'll repeat. My seller is Poonam. I have to pay him 8,250. Right now, I don't have cash. So what I will do, I'll go to Poonam. Whatever document you have given, signed one for 8,000, that 8,000 agreement copy, I'll give it to Poonam. I'll say that I don't have money. I have to pay you 8,250. I cannot pay 8,250. I can give you the bill worth of 8,000. Will you accept? So Poonam accepted. You don't pay me 8,250. You give me that bill, that is sufficient. I am happy with 8,000. Poonam agreed. Up to this, you are clear? Yes. Clear? Yeah. Now, Poonam discounted the bill with the bank 12%. What Poonam did? Poonam went to bank and whatever the 8,000 worth bill is given, got it discounted. Poonam got less amount, but finally she got amount. Now, on the due date, Deepak met the bill, record the necessary journal entry. After 3 or 4 months, finally Poonam went to that customer and she collected full value. Clear? This is all about this question story. Now, I'll go to journal entry directly. Journal entries in the books of Ramesh. Who is Ramesh? Drawer. I am Ramesh. Remember, I am the owner. I am drawer. I am the Ramesh. Now, Deepak account data to sales. You know this journal entry. In the beginning only, I told you these journal entries. Deepak account data to sales account. Next, bills receivable account data to Deepak. Simple. And the third one, Poonam, bills receivable discounted. Finally, bill is discounted. What value? It was 8,250. For 8,000 and 250 is discount. Any doubt in this? Out of 8,250, I gave only 8,000. So 250 is a loss to Poonam. We call it as discount. Again, I'll come back. Deepak to sales, bills receivable to Deepak, Poonam to bills receivable to discount received. You have to remember this journal entry. In your question, bill is discounted and there is a one more person, NOC is there, then your journal entry will be like this. Now, so date 15th March, 15th March and 15th April. Clear? So after 1 month itself, all these things happened. Clear? Yes. So 8,000 as per the question. 8,250 supposed to pay, but paid only 8,250 called as discount. Clear? Yes. Now, bills receivable. This is in the books of NOC, Poonam, third party. We are doing journal entry in the books of third party. Third party will get only 2 journal entries. One is she has collected the bills. She went to bank. Only 2 entries. Now, bills receivable discount to Ramesh. Actual receivable how much? 8,250. How much received? 8,000. 8,000 received, 250 discount, and the final value is 8,250. 50. Hope you are clear with this concept. Then bank discount to bills receivable. Poonam went to where? Bank. In bank, what happened? Discount. I'll go back to your question. Discount how much? It is 12% something. I'll go back to your answer. So your discount is 8,000 for 1 month at 12%. 8,000 for 1 month at 12%. So it will be how much you will get? 960 something you will get. 960 divided by into 1 by 12. You will get hardly it is 80 rupees. So your discount is 80. Out of 8,000, 80 considered as discount. Now balance will be how much? 7,920. Any doubt? Hope there is no doubt up to this. Now, so these all your journal entry in the books of NOZ. NOZ means third party. Now, journal entries in the books of Deepak, or else we can call it as acceptor. Now, again we have 3 journal entries. Similar, the old method what we are following, same thing. Purchase to Ramesh, Ramesh to bills payable to bank. Finally, it is paid. Normal journal entry. So first journal entry will be what? Purchase account data to Ramesh. So these are the journal entries in the books of acceptor. Acceptor means drawee. Seller account, first one, and the second one, seller account data to bills payable account. This is your second one. And the third one, bills payable account data to bank account. So these are the journal entries in the books of drawee. Now, first one, purchases to seller. Purchase to, who is the seller in this problem? Ramesh. So 8,000, 8,000. Whatever discount happened, whatever noting charges paid, nothing will affect to the buyer. Nothing will affect to the drawee. Now, Ramesh to bills payable. Ramesh is what? Seller. Seller to bills payable. Done. Next. Bills payable to bank. Your bills payable to bank. This one. Hope you are clear with all this concept. Now, so this is all about your journal entries in the books of acceptor. Hope you are clear. So I'll go back to this. This will be your question. The bill is discounted and endorsed, transferred to another party. For that, we have done small calculations. Now, these are the journal entries in the books of drawer. Drawer means what? Seller. 1, 2, 3. Please take screenshot of journal entries in the books of drawer. Journal entries in the books of drawee. Drawee means what? NOZ. 2 journal entries we have. We will do 2 journal entries for this. Journal entries in the books of acceptor. Please take a screenshot of this. I'll go out of the screen. Yeah, this is all about your journal entries in the books of drawee. So I'll end this session with the saying that learn concept and earn marks.